One quick note about responding to customer emails. You want to be very careful the words that you use. So Amazon, if you haven't read the suspension prevention book from Cynthia Stein, which you should, or just to read articles on the internet, definitely get versed on this. But Amazon has bots that are looking through every email that you send to your customer ever. So don't say any of the words that are here. So dangerous, anything that would flag a bot for any reason. They really are concerned with intellectual property, trademark, copyright stuff. They're very concerned with health and safety, and then they're very concerned with review manipulation. So, and then also diverting customers to a different platform. So don't say anything along the lines of website, call, email. Obviously, don't put your own website. Bad idea. Okay. Review, positive feedback. Yeah, I wouldn't even use the word positive, okay? Just stay away from it. PayPal, payment, dangerous. Just stick away from all of these, and that's going to just, it'd be a shame, but to just get taken down because of something silly like this. So take that into account, but you can pretty much say what you want. Just, follow the Amazon terms of service and just be careful. And remember, just always treat that customer really nice and follow the terms of service, and you'll be okay.